Hello, I'm Dustin.
Hi, Mike.
And we're going on a hike. We're at Pichetti Ranch. Vineyards. Mike lied to me today. He's like, Dustin, we're gonna have wine, women, and song. Was how he.
Not necessarily in that order. That's right.
Yeah. He corksed me. Is that a word? Corksed?
Coursed.
He corksed me. Tricked me. And here we are, middle of nowhere.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Sweating.
They might not let us in when we actually go wine taste. They're like, oh no, that's not appropriate. This is Cupertino.
Where's the women?
There's gotta be one.
Where's the men who identify themselves as women? So
We do something a little active and worthwhile before we just,
we had just.
indulge in wine and cheese again.
Everybody knows you drink the wine first.
No, we'd be too tired. And
You drink the wine and then you go on a long hike. Everybody knows that. So you sweat it out through the pores. Oh.
tell them where we are then. Yeah. Oh, we did.
Uh.
So Cupertino.
Open Space Preserve. Cupertino. Wine country. If they said if we see cougars, to go. Oh! Oh!
That's what we're gonna do.
Figure out where we're at.
Well,
Okay.
we already go way down here.
Okay. We're turning around. We down here?
That would be a disaster. We're never gonna get back. And
We're here?
yeah.
Okay, so we went down. We're either here and turning here, which no.
Why not?
Because there's no path keep going. There's no path over here, Mike. There's no path going straight down.
Good point. There's only one choice.
So I think we're going up here. We'll keep going. Lead on.
At some point, we may just have to turn around.
I'm staying here. Since we last talked to you, we've walked. Mike, how far have we walked?
About 246 yards.
To our. I'm running out of water.
This may not work out.
I'm.
That fellow did see us though as we were leaving. Maybe he'll send us a search party.
Yeah.
You never know. There was one. We've seen one other human today since we got here.
Not feeling too good. We're going downhill
At least it's in the shade.
in the shade. We're in the middle of nowhere. We went 0.3 in hiking standards. That's like 0.3.
That's roughly what it is. 3 million views.
I need 3 million views.
People.
Some people do it, some people do it to see the world. Some people want to show the world. I'm for the views and the clicks and the likes and the subscribes. So can you hit the subscribe button down below?
Social media festival.
I didn't want to go on this, but Mike keeps saying
I'll quit your crying.
that we got to make a video for Lynette.
Yeah.
Lynette needs to watch us suffer. So
Look there.
we'll show one good background of us.
There.
Okay, Mike, get in there.
With the. Can you see the
Yeah.
reservoir?
There's the reservoir, Lynette. This video is specifically for you. Please hit the like and subscribe button below. Mike, here's a deer.
Several actually.
I don't see him.
Really? You don't see him? You got eyes better than me.
There's no deer out here, Mike.
Right there.
It's probably a cougar.
Run for it.
Is that a cougar? We're seeing cougars right now.
Thank God we got Sprinter Steve here.
Where's Steve at? Well, we survived.
Cougar attack.
Mike and I survived the first wilderness problem. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna see what else we can see here in Pikachi. after Mike and I do a wine tasting, we always like to eat the cheese. There's
Yeah,
a lot
we
of
do.
bees a lot around, but
We have some friends.
we're gonna have
Oh
we're gonna
my
have
God, do
a
we have some
cracker.
friends? We have Dreamer Weaver cheese here, which is,
Mm-hmm.
according to one cheese dude, like best cheese he's ever tasted. So
So I got my cheese and then I got my meat, and we're gonna just have a good time
we literally might have more freaking bees though
and a lot of friendly
than
bees
people.
to cheese and bees.
Cheese and bees.
And I've relocated. We're chicken shits and can't stand 20 bees attacking
Holy
us.
shit, that was lunacy. Oh my god.
So we're now inside, and we're going to eat all the cheese that we have.
Don't worry though, we got special
Last bite.
permission to bring food in. Jones let me have it.
Yeah. This salami is so good. I asked Mike where did he get that special?
And I didn't lie.
Yeah,
I
where'd
told
you get
him
that?
I got it all the way from the store, and it's just Gallo.
Gallo. I've never heard the word before. Is that European?
It's a famous salami maker from San Francisco.
Oh, San Francisco
Good
makes.
Lord, Jones.
You know, salami's made in San Francisco, not just in Italy, like we all thought. And which store would you get that from?
Probably anywhere.
Well, which
Which
specifically?
one did I get it at?
Yeah, yeah, we're-
I specifically got it at Sagona's, which is a farmer's market.
Never
I
heard
usually
of
go
it.
there. I go there mostly for the fish, but
Okay.
you know, just for an extra meal, I'd make a
Well,
little
nobody
salami
cares about
sandwich.
this crap. I want you to take a bite, and I want you to tell us, rate it. I want a
Oh.
out of 5 stars.
With the wine, it's
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I haven't taken a bite yet. I don't know, but
Okay.
I have taken rating.
Yeah, take a bite.
4.5.
4.5
It's high from
out of
me.
5. What's the 0.5? What went wrong?
You just can't. I don't get perfect scores.
So if
gotta
I
be a
had
miracle.
tried it, I would have gave it a 5.
Probably.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I wouldn't let you try it though.
Okay.
All mine. I get it all.
Okay. So what are we
5 out of
drinking?
5.
Zinfandel.
This is the Zinfandel.
super special. It's aged in American oak, so you get that peppery quality to it. It has nice heavy cigar box tones, and it also has a little more tannin, so it has that bitter quality as well.
Got to get your nose really in there.
Oh yeah,
Mike?
bouquet though.
Get smell it. And these are legs.
Yeah. Check
legs,
out
get
Legs.
nice nose, good.
We know
legs.
everything about wine. What do you think, Mike?
That's good.
I like it. It's. I'm gonna just describe exactly how you'd. It's smoky. Okay, let's go. Okay, Mike. So, what was the name of this place we just went to?
RW.
RW.
RW Winery. It's a family-owned winery.
Family
Two
owned.
nice fellow people. A nice couple.
Yeah. We just got it.
Noel and
And shit. Bill. You
Bill.
said
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, probably William. Yeah.
William. Yeah,
Exactly.
William.
Bill. Good job, Jones.
Yeah. So
They were very nice.
we just got a tour. We got to learn more about how the wine's made. So there's the winery over there, and
Stunning view.
stunning view. Probably one of the best views we've ever seen at a winery. Yeah. But let's talk about another
Moving
major
on.
problem.
Moving on.
You drive, Mike. I'll do the talking. So
Make sure that other car doesn't run into me.
yeah, the good point. I got a bladder about as big as this fist. So the whole time we were drinking,
There's a lot
I'm,
of trees here. What do I do?
do a U-turn. There you go. Anyway, the whole time we wine taste, I'm like, I need a
I'm
pee.
near something. I'm near something. I don't know.
I
what
need
the
a
hell that
pee
is.
every 10 minutes. I didn't know how to tell Bill and what's their name?
Noel.
Noelle, that, hey, this wine tasting's great,
Every 10.
but I sure would like to piss right now.
This
Like,
is-
how do you bring that up?
This is-
Anyway, anything else you want to say about this place before we wrap
was
it up?
Awesome, though. That was awesome.
Great. I've never had such good hospitality.
That's the word. But
So,
it was spectacular.
Best views we've ever seen at a winery. So, what
awesome.
are you going to review it?
Fucking awesome. I mean, I don't get perfect scores, so 4.5.
4.5 out of 5 or
Yeah,
10?
4.5 out of 5.
4.5 out of 5. I give it. They had a toilet right where I
give it a
needed.
5.
I give it a 5 out of 5 because
yeah,
I was
you
able
would.
to piss
Fuck
as soon
yeah,
as
you
I
would.
asked them, "Hey, where do I
Like a
piss?"
racehorse or otherwise.
Like a racehorse,
Or
bladder of a nickel.
of somebody slightly smaller. Yes.